It's nice they put the air trucker seat in there.
Oh yeah. More comfortable for me.
Yeah, definitely. I don't think they used to have those, if I recall.
No.
Way back when they were
It was just a leather seat that
they weren't
barely moved at all.
Yeah. Now they've got like customized air. That's great.
Yeah. Air cushions.
Yeah.
To those of you who
By
have
the
just
end of the
joined
day, I bet
us,
you notice
welcome
in your lower
aboard the
back.
Disneyland Monorail.
Yeah.
For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the cabin. Watch your children, and no smoking, please.
Bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los niños. Por favor, se ruega no fumar. Gracias.
We're now en route to our final stop, the Tomorrowland Monorail Station. Along the way, you can get a bird's eye look at the downtown Disney District, Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, and Disney California Adventure. To the left of the monorail is the main entrance of Disneyland, the happiest place on earth. Disneyland is truly an American original. Since its opening in 1955, it has hosted hundreds of millions of guests from around the world, including presidents, kings, and celebrities. It is the original Disney theme park, created and enjoyed by Walt Disney himself. To the right is our transportation plaza, where you'll find taxis, hotel shuttles, and public transit stops. We're about to enter Disneyland. Some of the clearances are pretty tight up ahead, so be sure to remain seated, keeping your hands and arms inside the cabin.
Monorail ready to start.
This is Tomorrowland, a land inspired by science fact and fantasy. Below us is the submarine lagoon, where you can dive into a fantastic underwater adventure aboard the Finding Nemo submarine voyage. Across the way are the icy peaks of Matterhorn Mountain, home of the world's most famous bobsled run. And beneath us is the Autopia, where drivers of all ages can travel the road to tomorrow. As we cruise over Tomorrowland, our pilot would like to share a few program reminders.
Well, good afternoon. Welcome aboard Monorail Red. This is your Captain Doug. Tonight we have two fantastic shows at the Rivers of America at 9 and 10:30. And at 9:30, High in the Skies at Disneyland, Mickey's Mixed Magic Fireworks Spectacular. Disneyland will remain open until midnight tonight. That's all attractions, including the monorail. If you're heading back to downtown Disney and closing, make sure you're back no later than midnight so we can get you on that final monorail. And speaking of monorails, we're traveling aboard our only monorail today, Monorail Red, on a one-way trip to Tomorrowland. Enjoy the rest of your flight. Have a terrific time here at Disneyland. Monorail Red, request clearance to Tomorrowland. You're the red copy, sir, to Tomorrowland. Okay, but you're the only one that...
To the right of the monorail, just might spot the sparkling gold spires of one of Disney's most beloved attractions. It's a small world. And now we're riding alongside the happiest kingdom of them all, Fantasyland, home to Pinocchio, Snow White, Peter Pan, and other storybook characters.
Our Imaginarians, we know how to build them, even though we had ideas on what to improve on them.
until the monorail comes to a complete stop. Then collect your belongings, watch your head, and step carefully from the train. On behalf of all of our crew, thanks for traveling with us. And we hope you'll have a happy and memorable visit here at
From what I understand,
Disneyland.
the original company
This
didn't
is the
build it.
Tomorrowland Monorail
The
Station.
original company always goes out of business.
Yeah, so they supposedly gave them the plans.
Yeah, well, when we got the